Today is a big day for my little Roadster. We've got something fun going on. Remember last year when I drove the Tesla and I tried to hit top speed of 155 miles an hour? 140? 140? What? And I raced it against all these Ford GTs and incredible cars. Well, that's been exactly a year ago, and now I'm going to be doing it again, but I'm gonna be taking the Roadster and I'm gonna be taking the P100D. We're gonna see how fast I can push the limits of this, and then also my P100D fully charged this year, see if we can get it up to the new top speed of 162 or 163. But the tricky thing is, the event is about 350 miles away, and this Tesla will only go around 180, 200 miles on a full charge. That's a bit of a dilemma. So I called my friend, Cougar. I had to wear this hat today because it says his name on it, from Luxe Auto Spa. He drove all the way down here with a trailer. He's going to load this thing up and take it up to Salt Lake City for me so that we can get it all prepped. And what I'm hoping they do is clean it up a little bit, because yikes, that's a little messy. There's a wrap on this right here, and it's really cheap and it's just like totally coming off. So there's a few things cosmetic wise that I'm hoping that they can fix up for me. And I have something fun that I want to do on the inside of the car that I've never done before. But first I gotta say goodbye to this thing and give it to Cougar, and I won't see it for about 5 days. There he is. There's Cougar. He made it in this big old trailer.
What's up, man? How we doing?
You awake? You drive through the night?
Drove through the night, but we made it.
Oh my gosh.
How you doing?
Did you literally sleep in your car? I see a pillow here.
I didn't sleep in the car. I was thinking about it, but I got a hotel last night, so I got a few hours of sleep.
Gotta flip this car around. I love this car. I know it's not even as nice as a Model 3 of Tesla, but there's just something about it with a convertible, with the history of them only making 1,300 of them in the US, being the only car that's ever been sent to space and is literally orbiting the sun right now. I mean, there's a lot of things about this car that are pretty amazing.
It's called the Rail Rider.
The what rider?
The Rail Rider.
The Rail Rider. Oh yeah, I see it. Rail Rider.
Full dolly system. And the dolly system slides out, you load the car outside the trailer, and then it actually self-loads.
What's the most expensive car you've ever carried inside of this trailer?
About $2 million.
2 million?
Yeah.
What was it?
There's a Mercedes Going.
Mercedes Going.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
they don't make too many of those.
Lots of Porsche 918s.
Hey, what are you guys up to?
We're just walking home.
I texted for a ride, but it never came.
Why didn't you text me?
Because you said you couldn't pick us up.
Oh, look, I had my car right here. I could have picked you up.
Yeah.
He's stealing our car. He's gonna get it ready for a race.
Wait, you're racing that car?
I'm gonna race it. Show him the car that I'm racing against. We're going head to head. BAC Mono, this is the one. Which one do you think will win?
Probably that one.
Let me see. Yeah, that car is actually racing in it. It's like an F1 race car. No, we're not racing head to head against it. We'd get smoked within like 1 second. How's your spiritual thought today? Did you do a good job?
Did a good job.
I think so.
Did a really good job.
Yes. So Lincoln has this big meeting with all these adults and all these leaders for the youth group. And like 5 minutes before he leaves, no, 2 minutes before he leaves, hey Dad, I'm in charge of the spiritual thought. Can you give me a spiritual thought? I'm like, what?
Yeah.
So I just sent him one of his old church talks that he gave, and I'm like, here you go. You can figure it out. Wait, he said that Lincoln's thought should be on his wall?
Yeah, in his office. He's like, I should have like this quote on my wall.
Okay, this is big time now. We need to know. We need to hear what it is.
No.
Come on, give us the thought. If it's that good to be published on a wall.
It's not that good.
Okay, let's hear it. Share it with the world.
I don't know.
Somebody in the world may need your thought today. Let's hear it.
I don't know. Do you know?
You're the one that gave it. We're gonna put some motivational music behind this, and Lincoln's gonna give everybody a thought for the day. Come on, we need the thought, Lincoln.
Sorry.
All right, Caleb, paraphrase it.
He said, it was like something if you focus on your problems, then you have more problems, but if you focus on your blessings, then you have more blessings.
You did it!
Was it really that hard for you to remember and say that?
Yeah.
Is that what did he get it right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys, put that on the wall, put it in the comment section. There you go. I made it up the thing. I was really nervous. He has a little ramp for it, so it actually fits. Oh, looks like I was like a little bit off the ramp. Oh, that was close. All right, the parking brake is on. Key is in the seat. Sad to say goodbye to my little Roadster, although it does sit in the garage most of the time, just sitting there. But when I do get to ride it, I love it. So Saturday, June 15th, I'm gonna put all the information down below. If you wanna come and see this Roadster, there's going to be over 200 really, really nice cars. At least come for the car show. There's gonna be a giant Jumbotron there that's showing everything that's happening with the cars racing on the roads. Eagle Mountain, Utah, and I'm gonna have this one out there, and I'm also going to have my P100D. So we're gonna test this thing to the max. And then Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, he'll be there. Come say hi. If you wanna check it out, Luxe Auto Spa is hosting this. All the money goes to charity. It's gonna be a great event. Tesla Roadster is off. Take good care of it, Cougar.
Got you, man. As always, good to see you.
Come see the race, guys. Really, I wanna see you there. I want you guys to come see the car in the car show. Check it out, take pictures with it. I wanna meet you guys, so check the link down below. It should be cool. And if you live in another state and you can't make it, yes, we're gonna make some cool videos on it and we'll publish it, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a blast. These are brand new wheels and tires on this car, so I'm gonna push it.
My mom would be so mad if I was in this car with you driving and I didn't have a helmet on or a super suit.
I won't tell your mom.
Hit that max.
Here we go! Here we go!